You know what? You're absolutely right. It's time you and your family took that vacation. And you know what? I agree. You need to do it on your own home, at your own time, with your own stuff. And I got the coach for it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Can you tell I like playing with electronics? I am sitting in the brand new Thor Freedom Traveler. This is the B30, an awesome family coach. It comes in at 31 feet, 11 inches, can sleep, I'm gonna say 2, 3, maybe 4, let's say 5, 6, 7. Oh, and I dropped my phone all over the place. 6, 7. 6, oh, 6, 7, 6, 7. If somebody can tell me exactly what that means, I would appreciate it because I am so not cool and out of the mix. I have no clue what that means. I say it and people laugh and I just go, because I got that uncomfortable, I don't know what I'm talking about thing. What I do know what I'm talking about sometimes is this sweet 14-inch dash that you're going to get with the Freedom Travelers. Yes, I do have the bunk over cab pulled down mainly because I want to show you what they're using to do it. But even with it down, I got headroom to sit up here. Got the Android Auto, the Apple CarPlay. I got the gorgeous molded dash. I got the workstation that you've come to know and hopefully appreciate for the co-captain, as well as the ports, the power. I got the tilting and telescoping steering wheel. All my controls here from my backup camera, which I was taking a look at here in a minute. A beautiful campground. Look at the visibility that you have there. I like how this year we went from 10 inches to 14 inches. More importantly, this does have the smart system on it. So you can check your tanks right here. You can run and control stuff from right here. But new this year is the addition of the analog system as well back at a wall panel. So very nice feature to have. But as far as the Class A goes, tremendous visibility, awesome cross breeze with the windows. Of course, you have the curtains and the cover for your privacy. Storage up here with the strut supported if you need it. And comfortable captain and co-captain's chairs that tilt and swivel. Awesome up front, but even better in the back. So let me show you what I'm talking about with this bunk over cab and this living area because it's got some sweet features. And we are seated on that Ford F53 chassis with that 7.3 liter V8 engine in it. So you got 335 horses and 468 pound-foot of torque. What does that equate to when you're talking about fuel efficiency as well as passing power? It's good. I think both are okay. But to me, it's one of those things where you'd really just got to come in and test drive it. I wish I could get in your head and say, oh, this is great, or oh, this is horrible. I don't really know because I don't know where you're at, where you're going. But for a coach that'll sleep 6, I love how they also gave me 6 seat belts back here too. So really love what they did there. But let me tell you about this. We were talking about this bed, the bunk over cab. Great for storage space if you need it. I like the little net that we have around. That's been there forever. But I like how they went with the worm groove this year. In years past, you might have seen the belt system. You might have seen the chain drive. I'm a bigger fan of this only because of the sturdiness of it, the fact that it's in true even lift. Whereas sometimes the chain drive could, get wonky on you on one side and you got to set it back down. So having this, very nice. But look at the visibility that you have in this coach. That's what I like about Thor. Some of those calling cards with the Freedom Traveler are still here. I got that beautiful glazed cabinetry, beveled, strut supported, open and close, valances, huge windows to let in light and cross breeze. And over on the campsite is going to be good head clearance in the slide. Of course, it is a Class A, so you're going to have 84 inches here. Windows, dream dinette with storage, and reduces down to give me sleeping space when I need it, as well as charging right here. The thing that I like about this space is it's just convenient. I can go from enjoying the camp cooked meal right here to playing games with the kids, letting them do, the coloring activities, maybe do the coloring books, while my loved one and I come over here, sit down. We got a cup holder behind us with the window open, watching the TV if we want some entertainment, being cooled by one of our 2 13.5 BTU ACs, and just really making those memories. More importantly, I'm doing it in my coach. I don't have to worry about booking a hotel. More importantly, who's been in that hotel, who's used my bathroom. I know who's going to be using it in my coach, at least I hope I do. And if I need additional sleeping space, both of these move out to sleepers. What else you need? Oh, maybe where you're going to cook those camp cooked meals? Well, let me show you. Ryan, John, my buddies at Thor, good job adding this in. So I like what they gave me here. Not only do I have my slide controls, I can cut on my pump. I got my gen start, my auto gen start. I can check all my tanks. So I don't have to go all the way up to the front, cut that on and use the screen. I got my smart panel right here next to my Coleman Mach HVAC controls. So very nice. 35K BTU on your furnace too. So nice feature there. Slip resistant flooring, upgraded vinyl. and look at the prep space. Two things I like about this. Number one, the space. Number two, if I'm doing some cooking on my 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover, or if I'm cleaning dishes in the undermounted sink, my buddy Ryan still has space to get around me. The cutout kind of makes this flow nice. I like that. Storage options, got your pull out right there for your soaps. Of course, full extension on those drawers, soft close too, very nice touch, especially in this price point. Trash can space, and big old 21-inch oven. Add that to the fact that I got the little Envision microwave, the hood, more storage up top. I mean, man, pretty sweet. Pretty darn sweet. Then they give me an Envision 12-volt fridge freezer combo over here. I like that because it has the acrylic front, it's vibration smart, and you have 2 separate slides in this coach versus one giant super slide. Big fan there because that separation means the slides are going to be sturdier. You shouldn't have as many problems with it as if it were like one big giant slide, because the coach is 31 feet 11 inches. That's a big space for one big giant slide. But in giving you that separation split of the slides, you also get additional storage, which sometimes you wouldn't get with a super slide. So even if it's pantry, if it's bedroom, if it's ward, if it's whatever, I got the drawers. More importantly, I have the versatility of having it here. Very nice little feature, because one thing we can never have enough of is storage. Vent fan above my kitchen, vent fan above my bathroom, which is where we're going next. And here we are in the bathroom. You got a 30 by 36 shower. I like how they gave me, this brushed nickel, silver, pewter, whatever you want to call it. It's shiny gray for my shower controls, and even like the little crystal inlay that we got here. Corner notches, big old skylight, and me being 6'2", 84-inch high ceilings really kick in here. Don't need the additional headroom, but I do like how this is bigger than last year. And your shower curtain is on a curved bar. Now it is antimicrobial. Shouldn't get the mold, but in my opinion, water's water. Still try to wipe it down. But the thing I like about it being curved is you have the room. You have more space up top. So even being 30 by 36, it feels bigger thanks to the additional couple of inches we get here. Press surface countertop for my vanity. Got the stainless steel bowl and controls for that. Mirror and nice linen storage. Plus a towel hanger, a towel rack, a robe hanger, tankless water heater, and I got my waste pump. You can't really hear it because I like how they do that. And of course the high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush. But how is it comfortable with okay, so this is actually pretty good. Usually I'd be knocking legs if the toilet paper holder's right here. So that's pretty good space. Storage underneath as well. Good little cubby space. My furnace is also ducted inside of the cabinetry. And you got the pocket door for privacy. Which, speaking of, Mr. Morris, I'm gonna need about 3 to 7 minutes, and then we will go talk about the bedroom. How about that? Demons be exercise. Oh, so here we are in the bedroom. Didn't know you were recording. Welcome back. King size bed in its own slide with more of the decorative cabinetry up top, reading lights, padded headboard, as well as shelf space with power options over there, USB charging. And I like how they gave me the windows. These look a little bit bigger than last year too, with the privacy shade too. Cross breeze. Spot for my CPAP machine when I need it. And the thing that I like that they did with this one, the B30, you have a little bit of a prep space right here. I got a TV with hidden storage behind it. Got a chest of drawers down here as well, and you got dual mirrored ward closets. So I like this, but just because of how they maximize the space, but more importantly, it's using the space. I can actually use it, and I got room to store what I need to store. Got the drawers down there for whatever, folded laundry you want to keep. Once again, solid wood with soft close. Very nice touch. King size bed, extremely nice touch. Second AC, even better touch. But you know what really is nice to touch? Those HD Max graphics, which we're going to see on the outside. Here we are on the outside of the Thor Freedom Traveler B30. Once again, 31 feet, 11 inches. Family coach that can sleep up to 6 on that Ford F53 chassis. 7.3 liter V8 engine, HD Max graphics on the outside. One of the things I love about the Freedom Traveler is how clean they look from stem to stern. And you want to see the storage that this puppy has? Let me show you. Look, it's rotocast storage. You got the battery box, easy to clean, side opening doors. And I know the first thing I thought when I popped out was, it'd be really nice is if we put a TV on the outside to give me some outside entertainment. I'm picky like that. I would have liked to have had it. And they gave it to us. 32-inch smart TV. And then I thought to myself, man, you know what really make this coach pop off is if they gave me an outside kitchen, but not only any outside kitchen, one that has a griddle that can also be a grill. But maybe if that was, I don't know, bigger, maybe 21 inches, they gave it to me. They stepped up the game this year and I'm impressed, and it takes a lot to impress me when you're talking about motorhomes. So, prep space, external shower with hot and cold, storage as well as light, and yes, you do have an outside kitchen on this coach because it is for families. Got the 8,000-pound hitch, fuel fill is back there, ladders mounted on the top so you can get up there and check the seals, as well as your backup camera to see how everything is going. The exhaust for your generator is right there. We're gonna talk about the slide toppers here in a second, but I like what they did here. So this is those, like what I like to call the nice storage space because it's finished off. This is probably where I would put, if I'm going to the beach or the mountains, the gear that I kind of want to protect versus the tools, you know, or the sewer stuff. Now granted, it's your RV, you can put whatever you want to in there, but I like how they included that for me. Bam, 4,000 watt, come on Ernie, there we go. 4,000 watt flex fuel generator, which means it's gonna, Ernie, you gonna make me cuss. 4,000 watt flex fuel generator. Chris, what's flex fuel? I don't know. It picks up a lot of weight so it can flex. No, it just means you're gonna go from either LP or you're gonna go to gas. Got your main power cord connection right there. Got a bush right there. And my terminations right here with another shower, hot and cold. Now your tanks on this are 50, 40, and 40. Pretty good. Probably would have liked to seen a little bit bigger, but having 40 gray, 40 black, that's a nice touch. I'm not gonna complain. Back of my tankless water heater right here. More rotocast storage over here on the off-camp side. Bam, and then right under the driver is even more rotocast storage. So, they gave me that split on the inside with the slide, giving me more pantry storage in there, which I'm a fan of. So, ton of storage out here. That split on the inside gives me more pantry storage on the interior. So I really like what they did, just increasing the overall space, more importantly, maximizing it this year. Kudos to Thor, because every year they seem to add a few different things that make these coaches better, but still keeping them at a very competitive price point that, to me, when you're talking about, does it match what I need? Sure. If you want to use this 1 week a month, want to take it out for a couple of weekends, do that cross-country trip, I think these are spot on. Love the chassis, love the engine, love the interior. Really like what they do there. So, is the value there? I don't know. What are you looking for? Let me know. If you're interested in this, drop interested down in the comments. One of my team members will come out and talk to you about it. But let me know your thoughts. What'd you think of it? From the design to the flow to all the amenities that are in there, because I'd love to hear from you. If you're saying, Chris, we'd love to see this in person, come on into Camping World or rv.campingworld.com. This is the Thor Freedom Traveler B30. I am an idiot. I am Chris Young. And thank you so much for joining me for this tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to seeing you soon.